Okay, so I successfully ripped apart the AnyCubic Vyper. I went ahead and I took apart the Chiron. You see everything over here. The wire harness and the over there. What I got going on is pretty much just an AnyCubic setup. As you can see, here's the wire. You don't need this guy. I don't know why everyone's trying to use this. You don't need this, dude. You can still use this because this is from the 700 watt power unit to supply it from the 24 volt to this heater block that gives a unit for the heater bed since it's much bigger, it's huge. I didn't mess with any of this. I know that they had the hot end connected directly to this, but because I have now the ribbon cable, my controller board will directly shoot to the hot end. So this guy. Now, one thing I do want to mention, everything on the Chiron works perfectly fine with the AnyCubic Vyper. I mean the motors, the sensors, and all that. But I recommend the sensors since you see the sensors over here on the Chiron. See how she is? Alright, well, these are the old school pinouts. This is okay. But then they have this guy for the damn Y axis. This is completely old school though. As you can tell, the guy that had this before got from me, he took it and he took it apart. That's why I'm just fix that now. Don't use it. I'm gonna go ahead and take these sensors off of the original one and we'll get it from there. But yeah, I like these a lot better and I do need this back piece out right here, or this back sensor. So that way the wire doesn't crash. But so far everything runs. I don't want to